In today's Pet Advice, we're talking about ferret care. Dr. Travis Gratton is now joining us live by Skype. Good morning, Dr. Gratton.
Good morning, Erin.
Ferrets, they are awfully cute, but do you really see very many of them coming into your practice?
We see a lot of them. We've certainly treated them for decades now, and they've become really, really popular. They're certainly very busy, active, fun little animals.
Well, they're fun to watch, I think. Now, when it comes to ferret care, do they require the same type of care as in like a cat or a dog? Do you need to have annual checkups with them, vaccinations?
Yeah, certainly going to require a little bit of regular kind of maintenance care, annual exams just to make sure, because especially as they start getting into the 4, 5, 6-year-old category, there's a fair number of health problems that they can have. Vaccinations, definitely vaccinations required. Rabies and canine distemper are the big ones.
And do they seem to tolerate those vaccinations very well?
Generally speaking, don't have too many problems. We do like to split them up, or we do one day and then we wait a couple of weeks and do the other one, because they are a little more prone to getting achy and sore and being a little miserable for a few hours after vaccinations, especially if you pile on with them all at once.
And what's the life expectancy of a ferret?
The ferrets, can make it up to 6 to 8. Occasionally older than that. They're generally, start getting old at about 6. So.
And do they tend to get along with other animals in your home, like a cat or a dog?
They can, but you do certainly have to be careful, and especially with other animals being may or may not want to get along with them, because they are very busy little scurrying creatures. So.
Yeah, I can see my dog wanting to chase after a ferret. What are some other things we need to keep in mind about having a ferret as a pet?
Well, certainly the big thing is, if you do have dogs or you're around dogs, you definitely want to keep the distemper vaccinations up to date. It is very uncommon to see clinical distemper in dogs because so many are vaccinated over the years, but the virus is still fairly prevalent in the dog population, and it is 100% fatal for ferrets, and we actually see more cases of distemper in ferrets than we do in dogs.
Oh, fascinating. Okay, well, Dr. Gratton, thank you for being here this morning and giving us that information about ferrets. And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.